Common Core state standards require elementary students to read a much greater volume of informational text than they are now. The standards require that students read and spend 50% of their time reading informational text and 50% time reading literature. And this is going to be a welcome change for teachers and for students. When you think about the little ones, you know what sponges they are, how insatiable their desire is to learn all about the world and how it works. Elementary school teachers, though, have been faced with these expanded literacy blocks that have been dedicated mainly to stories and these expanded math blocks. And by the time you put those two together, it is all but locked out a study in social studies and history and geography and science and the arts and all the wonderful subjects that both teachers want to teach and students want to learn. The research tells us that only 7% of instructional reading time in elementary school and actually through middle school is spent on informational text. Now compare that to what we know students are going to need to do when they graduate, which is spend about 80% of their time reading informational text. We also know that informational text structures are much tougher for students to get and understand. They're more variable than our narrative text structures. The standards then require a move from 7% of instructional reading time focused on informational text to 50%. And that is going to set elementary school teachers free to do what they've been wanting to do. I myself am an elementary school teacher, and that I know is going to be a welcome change.